Have you seen the edits na lagi ka rin nagsiselos kapag may
ito, siguro, ewan, hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko masagot kasi hindi ko nakikita akong idea kung ano ginagawa. Yun lang, yun ang masasabi ko.
Nagsisilos ako!
You get jealous too, I'm time machine music up. And I'm puffing my chest, I'm dirty, ready to face you. Can call me obsessed, it's not your fault that they haven't. I'm in no disrespect, it's not right to be hellish. I still get jealous. Ako lang naman yung mag-ipopoy mo ba siya? Yun ang matagal ko ng pantasya. Tagal na kitang sinusundan, tinititigan at hindi maiwasan na ikaw ay titignan sa malayuan. At pinag-iisipan ko kung anong paraan para ikaw ay malapitan. Kaso malayo ang pagitan hanggang hellish, I still get jealous. You're too sexy, beautiful, everybody wants to taste, that's why I still get jealous.
Okay, ano na, kaibigan na lang pala.
I wish you did.
Kaya, ako'y baby kasi.
I wish you'd say a little bit just for me. Addictive or possessive, girl.
Ang tawag niya yung water bottle.
Mosh. Ay, yung soda! Kaya ka diba sabi ko sa'yo? Sabi ko, akit ng mosh. Kumain mo na. Binami ka.
Go, Willie ka! Okay, music ko na music.
Sige na. Binami ka.
Naghihintay ka lang na may makukulit ulit. What are you waiting for? Call my number, knock on my door.
Ito, Will, ito meron ako sa'yo, bro. Natingin ka na kaibigan, suhuli mo natin. Ikaw sa akin.
Kukunin pa sa akin. Paa.
Kung sino-sino pang tinatawagan mo
Oh!
at kung saan-saan ka pa nakahanap na tinatawagan ako na lang.
Patingin na sa'yo.
Sa darating na house at mga expectations mo po.
Kayo sa bahay.
Sana malaman mo.
Nag-i-interview ka sa akin. Maraming salamat. Isa po siyang...
Hi, hello. Hello, hi, Mika, kumusta? Hi, I'm Jer.
Now if you're trying to break my heart, it's working 'cause you know that should be me holding your hand. That should be me making you laugh. That should be me. This is so sad. That should be me. That should be me. I turn the cheap music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm getting ready to face you. You call me obsessed. It's not your. I turn the cheap music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm getting ready to face you. You call me obsessed. It's not your fault that they hurt. I mean no disrespect. It's my right to be hellish.
Ito na, kakatata.
Na, teka lang.
I turn the cheap music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm getting ready to face you. You call me obsessed. It's not your fault that they hurt. I mean no disrespect. It's my right. ang ating mga mundo. Pag-asa ay ating bitbit, maligaya walang takot. Masayang pagsitay, di lang ang kapantay. Inahalan ng bawat pagtanong. Malayo sa luwa sa ating ilawa.
Ano mo ka